how to customize Shopify Sense theme, or if you are looking to design your Shopify store using Shopify Sense theme, then you are at right video. In this video I will guide you how are you able to design your complete website using the new released Shopify Sense theme. So welcome back to Ecom Ranks. In this video you will get a lot of information regarding new Shopify online store 2.0 release. Okay, so first of all you have to log in your store, and within it you have to click on this explore free themes, and from here you have to scroll down, and here we would see a Sense theme. Click on it and hit add to theme library button. Okay, it will get added within few seconds, a fresh copy of Sense theme. And for the time being, let me show you how it will look. So this is the demo theme of this is the Sense demo theme of Shopify store. This is a header section, this is a logo, this is announcement bar, and this is image with a good call to action button. And when we scroll down, all of the products are listed, then there a good text, and then a marketing nice marketing of these product images. And then when we scroll down, it will show a nice section of product credit ability. And when we scroll down, it will show the collections like skincare, body care, nail polish. And when we scroll down, there is a final footer section and newsletter section. So this is a quite nice theme for skincare and beauty products. You can design it according to your requirements. So let's start our tutorial. So this is a Sense theme version 3.0.0. make sure you have already added all of your products. Also, I have already added all of my products, and then I have created my collection. I only have one collection and 10 products. And after it, make sure you have designed your navigation. Navigation is basically a menu just like this one. This is the header menu, and when we scroll down, this is the footer menu. Okay, I would like to add 3 menus. This is the main menu, this will be go at the top, and these 2 menus will go at bottom in the footer section. Okay, so the products have been added, the collection have been created, the navigation have been created, and the final thing is that the pages must be set up. Okay, so I have already added about us and the contact us pages. So let's move to the themes, and then I have to click on this customize button to start customizing my Sense theme. Okay, so the customization window has been opened, and from here we are able to customize all of these sections. Okay, so the first section is called announcement bar. This is called announcement bar. Just click on it, and from here we are able to change its text. From here we are able to change its text, just like free shipping on all orders this week, or you can add according to your business requirements. And from here we are able to change color scheme. Right now the Shopify has added by default colors. If you want to change accent 1, accent 2, background 1, background 2 colors, then you have to go to this theme settings, and then here would be an option for colors. Okay, so click on it, and here we see that the accent 1 color is this, and accent 1 gradient is not added. Okay, so the one thing I would like to explain is that let me select the accent 1 color. If we have added a gradient to accent 1 color, then a gradient color will be applied. Okay, so right now it's maroon color is already showing, so let's add a gradient to it. Okay, so I have selected this gradient, So now the gradient has been applied. Okay, so this looks a nice gradient color, and from here you are able to change ascent to and ascent to gradient, and background 1 and background 1 gradient, background 2 and background 2 gradients. These are the colors you are able to set, and then change it according to all of these sections. Okay, so this is quite simple step. You can do it while playing it with different colors. Okay, so the first section is announcement bar. I have already customized it and changed its color, and added a new text to it. Okay, so now the next section is called the header. When we click on this header button, and there is a lot of option will get show. From here we are able to change the color scheme of header. Okay, so I am just using a simple color, white background. So I have already assigned this background 1 to background 1, so it's looking fine. At here we are able to select logo, and when we scroll down, here is an option to increase its width, so it will look fine now. Okay, from here we are able to change its position. This is the best position, so I would not change it. When I scroll down, it's asking for a menu that I would like to assign at top, so I have already selected this main menu. Hit the save button and it's added. Okay. And from here we are able to show a separator line. If I tick this option, a separator line will show, and if we untick it, a separator line will get removed. And this option is quite useful if you want to use it. When I scroll down and move up, the header is moving up and down with the scroll bar, and if I untick this option, it will not it will get fixed and will not move throughout the page. So the best practice is that to untick this option, because it will cover 25% of your website area. So just keep it fixed and make it at the top only. So from here we are able to adjust the spacing. When I increase it, this space will get increased, so hit the save button. If you don't want to increase the space, you can move it back and then hit the save button. Okay, so the third section is called image with text. When I scroll down, so this is the text image with text section that we are going to edit it. So from here we are able to add the image. Let me select this image, and when I scroll down, it will ask for the image height. If we select large option from this section, it will show a large image. If we select small, it will get smaller, and if we select this option, adapt to image, it will show the exact dimensions of the image. So I would suggest to choose this option. And when I scroll down, it will ask for the whole container dimension. Okay, so you can change all these options to check all of these settings. Okay, so it's quite easy, you can do it yourself. And simply when I scroll down, it will also ask to overlap the image over that text section or not. So let me select this option, overlap, and from here it's asking for the mobile layout. And here if I click on this mobile button, it will get it will show the mobile version of the website. So it's asking it whether to align this text on the left or on the center or on the right. So the best practice is to select the left option. Okay, so let me switch back to the desktop version of the website, and here we are able to change the heading. And let me just copy this thing, glowing skin naturally. And from here we are able to adjust the heading size, so keep it medium, it will look nice. And from here we are able to add the text. You can add text according to your requirements. And from here we are able to add a button and assign collection to it. Okay, so I have, when customer click on shop now button, it will get directed to this collection. So after customizing this section, hit the save button. So our 3 sections have been done. Okay, so now the 4th section is called the featured collection. Basically in this section we are able to assign a collection to it. When I click on this featured collection, we are able to change its heading. Let me add my collection name, beauty collection. And when I scroll down here, I am able to assign that collection. Okay, when I scroll up, here is an option to change heading size. Let me make it medium, and here we are able to add any text. Okay, so for the time being, let me just copy any text. I have just copied this random text and add it over here. Okay, so it will get shown here. So this is a section called featured collection, and when I scroll down, it will ask for some of more options, like how many products you want to show in this section. If I increase it to 8, it will start getting shown 8 products. 8 products will start getting shown. And from here we are able to show make products full width. It will further expand, and if I untick, it will add some spacing at right and left side. So let me tick this option, and if we enable this option, it will add view all button. This button will lead towards the collection page, where it will contain all the product listed in that specific collection. Okay, from here we are able to select the color scheme. So let me select this one. The ascent one is looking fine. You are able to change the colors according to the things I suggested earlier. Okay, from here you are able to adjust the image ratio of this product card. This is called product card. You are able to change its ratio. If you select square, it will have same width and same height. If we select portrait, it will have more height and less width. This way it will crop some of the image, and if you select this option adapt to image, it will keep the image dimension as it is within the product card. So this is the best practice to keep it square. So I have selected a square option, and when I scroll down, it will further ask some of the points, like do you want to show a vendor or not. So just untick this option, and if I tick this option, it will add an option for add to cart button. I have many variants, multiple variants within the product, so it will add an option for choose a variant, and then it will get added to the cart. So I don't need this option, so I untick it. And from here it will ask the mobile layout of this section. If I will number of columns on mobile, if I choose it 1, it would be of 1 column, and if I untick this option, it will show just like this. So it will take a lot of page. So let me make it 2 column. So now it's looking fine. Okay, so switch back to the desktop version of the website. Okay, from here we are able to add the paddings, so it will add some more space at top. Okay, so just remove some of the space. Now it's looking fine, and hit the save button. Okay, so now the fifth section is called rich text. This is a rich text section. When I click on it, it will ask for the color scheme. You can select it similar to all other sections, and from here you are able to add a heading, and when I click on it, you are able to add any of the information similar to this one. Okay, so it's a rich text has been added to this demo website. Okay, so the 5 section has been done: the announcement bar, header, image text, featured collection, and rich text. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, so now the next section is called collage. This is called collage, and here you are able to add 3 of your products. So let me add any of the randomly 3 products. If you don't need this section or any of the section, you don't need it according to your business requirements, you can simply delete that section from here. Okay, remove section option, you are able to delete any of the section. Okay, so at the collage section has been edited and added. From here you are able to add any heading like product of the week, or anything you are willing to add, you can add it over here. And from here you are able to change the heading size, and here are few other options that you can adjust according to your business requirements. Okay, so now the next section is called the multi-column section. Here you are able to add information related to your brand. So at here, let me explain what section will it look like. Okay, so this is basically a multi-column section added to this demo sense website. So let me copy it and try to make it as similar as possible. Here we are able to add a heading called vegan, and from here we are able to add an icon image. Okay, for the time being I am adding this. You are able to download these brand creditability or brand trust images from our website called flaticon.com. You can download any icon. Let me search secure icon. Here you would see a lot of secure badges have been shown. You are simply able to download this, and then you are able to add it over here. Okay, so hit the save button. So this section has also been edited. Okay, so the next section I am going to explain you is called collection list. Here you are able to add multiple collections, like if you have skincare, body care, nail polish collection, or any other collection according to your business requirements, you can assign it over here simply. I only have this section, I only have one collection, so I don't need it. Let me delete this complete section. Okay, so I also don't need this section, so let me delete it and then hit the save button. Okay, so now the next section is called email sign up or newsletter. It's looking fine, but I would like to change its color to SN2. Okay, and hit the save button. And at bottom of the website there is a section called footer. Okay, so you are able to change it according to your requirements. I will add 2 or two of my menus to footer section like customer support, and I don't need an image in my footer section. And let me delete this one text, and let me add one more menu to it. You can click on add block, and then you are able to scroll it up, and then you are able to assign a menu to it, quick links. So here you see that the two menus have been added, and here we are able to add the information according to our brand and hit the save button. Okay, so now our page is ready using a Shopify Sense theme. You are able to change colors, text, images, products, or anything. I have explained it in pretty simple steps. Some of more things that I would like to explain it is that you are able to add some of more section, like click on this add section, and from here you are able to add a lot of new sections according to your requirements. You are able to add a single product, or an image banner, or image with text, or a page, or a slideshow, or even a video. So these are simple sections. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. For the time being, I have just added a slideshow section, so you can get explanation of how to add it, because it's a very useful section and used by many business owners. So and this slideshow section, the first step we have to do is we have to select the layout. If we select this grid layout, it will show like this, and if we select this full width, it will further expand its width. Okay, from here we are able to adjust the height. It will show a small slideshow, and if we select this large option, the slideshow will get larger, and if we select this adapt to first image, it will show the slide height according to the height of your first image. So the best option is to select this medium option, and from this pagination style you are able to add different options over here. So just select this dots, so it will show dots over here, and from here you are if you tick it, the slideshow will automatically rotates. Okay, so the last thing is that you are able to untick this option, and let's see it on mobile. It will show just like this, and if we'll tick this option, it will show below the slideshow image. Okay, so just switch back to desktop version, and let's add our first image. So let me add this image. Okay, so the image has been added, but this is not looking good, so we have to change its color, its background one. Let me add this inverse color, and from here we have to untick this option, show container on desktop. Okay, so it's not showing any container now, and if we tick this option, it will show a container, and if we untick it, it will not show any container. And from here we are able to make text appear good. Okay, I have added image overlay. It's just added some black color in the background. This way this text will get more visible. You are able to change this text over here according to your requirements, and then assign a link to it. For the second image, you have to click on it, and then you have to select the second image, and from here similarly the second image have been added. Similarly, you have to change the color scheme. Okay, so the color scheme have been changed, and add some overlay opacity according to your image requirements. It will show a text more clearly. Okay, and then hit the save button. Okay, so the slideshow section have been added. We are able to move it to the top and then hit the save button. You are able to move any of the text according to your requirements. Okay, so the last section I would like to explain is called video section. You are able to add a video. So from here we are able to add a heading. If you don't want to add a heading, you can simply remove it, and from here you are able to add a image. Over here I am just adding one of my thumbnail. Okay, from here you are able to add any of the YouTube video. So let me copy one of my channel video and I would add it over here. When customer click on it, it will start playing the
Welcome
YouTube
back to
video. Okay, so it will start playing YouTube video, and when I scroll down, it will also ask the color scheme. You can change it according to your requirements, or if I tick this option, it will show full width. Okay, so it's a quick tutorial on how you are able to add videos, slideshows, and all those sections. Okay, so the home page has been customized. Let me delete this section and hit the save button. So the home page have been customized. The best thing within the Shopify online store 2.0 is that you are able to add uh, uh, any sections to your pages. Okay, so let me open this contact page, and like you want to add a image to this page, contact us page, you can simply click on this image banner and add the images according to your requirements. Okay, similarly if you have any other pages, just like I have this about us page, and you want to add some of the section, you can simply click on the add section and you have a lot of options to add a section to your about us page. Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how you are able to add or customize all those pages. And uh, the second last thing I would like to explain is the product page. Okay, so let me open any of the product. Okay, so the product page have been opened. Right now at left you see a lot of images, and when I scroll down it has a lot of options just like this one, and then I have a lot of sections. Okay, similar to the home page. So the first thing I would like to change is that I don't want to use all of these images. So firstly click on this product information, and from here we are able to change the desktop layout of these images. So if I select this thumbnail option, it will show like this, and if I select thumbnail carousel option, it will show like this. Okay, so I have selected this option, and when I scroll down it will further ask some of the things like on the mobile you want to hide it or show thumbnails. So I want to show thumbnails on mobile. Okay, on mobile the thumbnails are also getting shown. Switch back to the desktop version, and here we are able to see a text. This is a text. If you want to remove it, you can simply select it and then remove this block. Okay, so I have removed that block, and then this is the title section. Let me remove this one too, and then this is the price, and then there is a variant. So for the variant it will ask for the type. I would select simply a drop down option. It will look cool. Simply someone clicks on it and select the ship forms, and the selected variant will be selected from a drop down option. That's a nice feature. Okay, when I scroll down here, it will ask some of more features like share on the social media. I don't need it because customer go to the social media and start using social media and won't come back to my website. So I would suggest to remove this share button. Okay, hit the save button. Okay, so now here we are able to add any of the information like okay, when I click on this is a classable content and can be any content can be added here, or if we want to assign a page to it, you can simply assign a page to it. Okay, so let me remove it. I won't need this option. Remove block. And how to use, if you have any information of your product, you can simply add it or remove this option too. Here you are able to add your shipping settings, and here you are able to add your return policy settings. I won't need it, so I am removing all this option. Here we are able to add the rich text similar to the home page that I have added, and similarly there is a multi-column section, and then image with text section, video section, a product recommendation section, and the email section, and then finally the footer section. All of these sections I have already explained in the home page. And at the top we are also able to check the collection pages. So click on this default collection, and when I scroll down it will show a grid collection, collage grid. You are able to add a product over here, and from here you are able to assign a collection. I only have one collection, so I have assigned it and hit the save button. So now this is your collection page. So this is the home page, the product page, and the collection pages. All of the pages have been customized and have been designed using a Shopify Sans theme. If you have any question, you can message me on Skype or message me on Fiverr. And if you want to get any more information, you can leave a comment below and I would reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.